How's it going, guys? Michael here. In this video we'll be recreating one of the lead synth sounds in Earfquake by Tyler the Creator. This sound is a true testament to how a simple saw wave can sound epic. Let's get into it. Start by selecting Analog and Basic MBC. Change the unison to 2 and bring the detune down to 0.04. Next, turn on the noise oscillator and select Analog and J60. Bring the level down to around 18%. Now under envelope 1, increase the release very slightly to around 29 milliseconds. Then drag envelope 2 onto the cutoff knob and turn on the filter, making sure to include the noise oscillator. Change the filter type to MG Low 24. Now decrease the modulation amount to 26% and set the frequency to 5700 Hz. I got these settings by listening very closely to the original and trying to match it as best I can. Use your ears and try to determine if there's the same amount of high end in each sound. Next, drag down the resonance to 0 and bring the drive to 13%. Back under envelope 2, bring the attack up to 24 milliseconds, the hold to 20 milliseconds, decay to 460 milliseconds, sustain to 0, and release to 48 milliseconds. Now let's head over to the Effects tab. Turn on the EQ and select High Pass Filter on the left and a bell-shaped filter on the right. Start on the left and drag the frequency down to 0 and set the Q to 26%. Now on the right, set the frequency to 400 Hz, the Q to 14% and the gain to plus 10 decibels. Next, turn on distortion and change the distortion type to tape saturation by going 1 back. Now set the drive to 80% and the mix knob to 100%. Lastly, turn on the chorus and drag it above everything. Set the rate to 0.13, delay to 0, depth to 8.1 milliseconds, low pass filter to maximum, and mix knob to 60%. For one final step, we can head back to the oscillator tab and drag LFO1 onto the wavetable position on oscillator 1. Now simply dial back on the modulation to around 5. And we're done. As always, you can find a link to the preset in the description below, and if you enjoyed watching, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!